Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. I just want to show you guys an article, and it's titled Lucid Stock Can Double from Its Current Levels. I believe it as well. If we take a look at Lucid's yearly charts, so we can see back last year, it was trading around $10, went to a high of $64.86. This was before the merger. After the merger, it came crashing down, and then we had another run up to almost breaking this resistance of $56. Couldn't break it, and then we are now trading at this level around 35 and 40. So we are trying to break now $40 resistance, and I do believe that it's going to happen. This is the article here. I'll just go ahead and go through this quickly. It says Lucid stock recently surged above 55 with a flurry of positive news flow. With profits taking and fundraising, the stock currently trades at 38. Gradual accumulation can be considered, with Lucid likely to have a strong year in terms of business growth. Lucid recently raised gross proceeds of $2 billion from a convertible senior note offering. Further, Lucid already reported $4.8 billion in cash and equivalents as of the third quarter. With the recent offering, the company boosted its liquidity buffer to $6 billion. So this person believes that the current cash buffer implies the company is fully funded for the next 12 to 24 years. It says the company has projected negative free cash flows through 2024. Additional funding is likely in 2023. Says Lucid Motors is positioned for strong vehicle deliveries growth in 2022 and 2023. As of November 2021, Lucid has more than 17,000 reservations. This implies a revenue backlog of $1.3 billion. Deliveries growth is likely to remain robust considering the following factors. First, Lucid is expanding presence in the United States. Further expansion in Canada was due in fourth quarter. The company has plans to make inroads in Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. Big growth is also due in 2023 when Lucid expands in China. Second, the company currently has a manufacturing capacity of 34,000 vehicles per year. However, the second phase of expansion has already commenced, and it will boost capacity of 90,000 vehicles per year. Third, Lucid Motors has plans to launch Project Gravity in 2023. The SUV is likely to be another game changer for the company. The company claims that Project Gravity will be built on the most advanced EV technology. With the launch of Lucid Air, the company focus on technology is clear. The car is the first EV to be certified with a range of 520 miles from the EPA. So those are all great news. We can definitely see it going back to $56 in the next 3 to 6 months. But right now, guys, I would say if you are buying call options, be very cautious because the IV is still very high and we don't know when the next run-up is. I would suggest probably buying calls that are 3 to 6 months out. So if we take a look at a February expiration dates, we're looking at $585 for this call option here. It's still very expensive. And if we take a look here, back in November, these were worth $20. Now they're worth $5. For call options with this high of an implied volatility, it's not recommended to buy call options just because if the stock doesn't move or if it trades sideways, you're going to lose a lot of value on those options. So if you are bullish, you can consider looking at spreads. So we go to the put side. This is a bullish strategy. It's called a put credit spread. So we're going to go to the 36, sell the 36 puts, and then we're going to buy the 33 puts. You're going to receive $140, and all you have to put up is $300. The stock can trade sideways. The stock can go down a little bit. As long as it's above 36 on expiration dates, you will be able to keep the entire $140. People don't like spreads because it has a max profit, whereas with options, there's unlimited profits. So there's always risk and reward to different strategy. Another strategy that I will probably use next week on Lucid is the cash secure puts. So you do need to have enough collateral to buy 100 shares. So I'm looking at possibly the 35 strike and receiving $440. So this money is put into my account immediately. I can use this money to actually buy shares in Lucid, or I can use this money to buy myself a nice meal. So it's really up to you how you want to use this premium. But the premium is good if you're looking for consistent income, or you're looking to make extra money and you don't want to stare at charts all day. And if you are bullish on Lucid, why not? This is such a great deal. Of course, there's always risk to every strategy. And the risk here is if the stock closes below 35 on expiration dates, well, you're going to just have to buy 100 shares at 35. So you can always choose a lower strike price, let's say 30, if you're okay owning shares at 30. And you would still receive a pretty decent premium of $234.
Let me know in the comments below if you're holding onto any of these stocks or what you think about them. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.